Hey guys, this is Dustin Maher, and I'm at the health club that I work at part-time, and I wanted to give you a look behind the scenes at one of my Got Core classes. And now this group that I've got, a private group that has been training with me for about 2 years with Core. So this is a very advanced level workout, but I just wanted to show you what's possible. And through the Got Core program with the DVDs, level 1 sets you off at beginner, you can get all the way up to level 8, which I would say this was a level 8 workout, level 7, level 8. So hopefully you enjoy, hopefully you get some great exercise that you can implement into your own workouts, and enjoy. Take care. See you,